Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll look at how to quickly paint an environment from start to finish. We'll look at how to color and add details in Photoshop, and this works in any other software you prefer as well. So stay tuned to see how the final image turned out. My name is Victor, I'm a professional concept artist, and I really hope you'll enjoy this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Also, don't hesitate to ask any questions about the process. Alright, let's start. For today's environment, I wanted to have an overcast type of day without any direct sunlight. And as usual, I start by defining the horizon line and then I proceed with a really simple sketch. As I was doing the sketch, I had this pine tree sticking out and I thought to make it the focal point. You can also see me adding some smaller shapes to have a balanced composition overall. Adding some clouds, and I'm also flipping the image horizontally to see if it works both ways. The next step would be to add flat color, basically blocking the whole image, and at the same time establish the values and the mood. I'm used to working directly with color, I think it's more effective and faster for me. Also guys, don't forget there is a link with a free brush pack in the description. Step by step, I'm advancing the values and dividing the image by planes. At the same time, I'm trying to make sure that the image is readable and it has a graphic look to it. Alright, now it's time to add the white foam from the water, and it's actually quite an important compositional element. It helps guide the viewer's eye towards our focal point. Now I'm working on the island in the background, and basically it's like carving. I'm describing the form, I'm describing the planes that are turned away from the light, and that's why I'm using darker values. Defining this line a little bit better. Now I'm adjusting the values for the pine trees, for all the vegetation, and soon I'll start working on the water, trying to make it a bit more appealing. Okay, the water seems to be done, adding a few more details and moving on to work on the foreground. After adding these foreground elements, now I'm trying to get some color variation. Right now I'm adding those smaller shapes you guys saw in the beginning of the video in the sketch in order to get this balanced composition. Now it's time to add some details and work on our focal point. I think we can call it done for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Please consider subscribing and sharing for more videos like this. Also, ask any questions about the process in the comments. Thanks again for joining in, and I hope to see you in the next video, coming soon.